Before I get into my experience with this product, I put a discount link in the video description. The link will take you to the official ProDentim website, and there will be up to 50% off or more discount applied at checkout. So, I'll be honest, I never really thought about probiotics for my mouth. Gut health, sure, but oral probiotics? That was new to me. I came across ProDentim while looking for something to help with my constantly irritated gums and never quite fresh breath. I brush, floss, rinse, all of it, but something always felt off. I figured I'd give it a go, mostly out of curiosity. The tablets are chewable and taste pretty mild, which is nice. No weird aftertaste or anything. I started taking them every morning after brushing, and within a few days, I actually noticed my breath staying fresher longer, like, way longer. By the end of the first week, my mouth felt cleaner overall, and I wasn't reaching for mints every couple of hours. What surprised me most, though, was the change in my gums. I had a little inflammation around one molar that my dentist had been keeping an eye on, and after a couple of weeks, it was visibly less puffy and didn't feel tender anymore. I hadn't changed anything else in my routine, so I'm pretty sure it was the ProDentim doing its thing. It's been about a month now, and I've kept it going. My mouth feels healthier. No more weird sensitivity, no more morning breath that could knock over a houseplant. I honestly didn't expect to notice such a difference from something so simple, but here we are. If you've been dealing with gum issues, bad breath, or you just want to support your mouth like you support your gut, ProDentim is worth a try. Check it out through the discount link in the description.